Hello everyone, I am Dali from Akal Lexi Convent School, Sultanpur Lodi, studying in ninth standard. Today I am going to speaking a few lines about World Red Cross Day. World Red Cross Day is celebrated every year on 8th May to commemorate the birthday of Jean-Henri Dunant. He was born on 8th May 1828. Jean-Henri Dunant was a founder of the International Red Cross Society, which saves many lives. The World Red Cross Day is also used to provide the people who had suffered from any food shortage, natural calamities, war, as well as diseases of the epidemic. The Red Cross Day is also celebrated through blood donation. The motive of the Red Cross Society is to aware people. So, wish you all a very happy World Red Cross Day.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Rajendra Jeet Kaur, student of Akal Galaxy Convent School, Sultanpur Lodi. I studied in 9th class. As you know, today is World Red Cross Day, so I am here to share my views on this day. This day was celebrated on 8th May every year to commemorate the birthday of Jean-Henri Dunant, who is the founder of the International Red Cross Society, which saved many lives. World Red Cross Day is used to provide the people who suffer from any food shortage, natural calamities, war, as well as the diseases of epidemic. Community health program, interviews, talk shows on radio and television are organized at the international level on World Red Cross Day. The Red Cross Society in India was established in 1920 according to the Parliamentary Act. World Red Cross Day is also celebrated as International Volunteer Day. On World Red Cross Day, our youth get motivation to help other people in emergencies like earthquake, flood, cyclone, and outbreaks. The purpose of celebrating this day to make people aware of Red Cross Society. This day is celebrated every year with a new theme that people can be made aware of it. World Red Cross Day provides the people to get every type of facilities, services and various places about the safety from any problem without any finance from people. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning, I am Anjali Kaur. I study in 9th standard from Akal Lexi Convent School. Today's my topic is Red Cross Day. The way to celebrate Red Cross Day in this year is by working together to keep the world free with coronavirus. Let us join the hands to make our world healthier and happier. It is a duty of every human being to give the best service of human. A warm thank you to all those who are selflessly serving the communities, to the society in this pandemic situation. As a human, it is a duty of every human being to give our best services to the needy people. Every helping hand is count when the society needs help. World Red Cross Day reminds us to make the contribution in our small. Let us coming together to keep the city, our world, clean and healthy. World Red Cross Day encourages all of us to do a little bit to the society. Let us coming together in this pandemic situation to be helpful towards the people in need. Thanks and have